Hello everybody, my name's Tim Onion. I'm here to do a review on Traffic Armageddon. It's a new master training course that was just released yesterday, the 5th of March. It was brought to you by Philip Johansson, Dan Kahn, and Jasdeep. And what it is, like I said, it's a master training course on traffic. What's the number one thing in affiliate marketing or internet marketing or any marketing for that matter? What do you want? You want traffic. Traffic is where it is. That's where the money comes from. And without it, you got nothing. So basically what this is, it shows you from A to Z how to create that traffic, and not only create it, but also multiply it by 5 minimum. All right, let's go over here and let's go into my bonus page here, which if you buy from me, you will get these bonuses. All right, go through all of this. All right, the first one I got here is Bang Bang Tutorial, or Bang Bang Profits. A bonus tutorial there. Another tutorial to show you how to get things done. And then this right here is Urgency Suites Pro. And what this is it's a program which gives you an HTML link to put into your emails, which puts either a timer or a urgency bar in the bottom of the email or somewhere in the email, which you usually can't do, to show people that you have to buy it now. And then we go down here, great alternative to ClickFunnels explained. This is a tutorial from Jonah Armstrong. Shows you how to use something aside from ClickFunnels to create funnels and save yourself about $197 a month, which, especially starting out, who doesn't need to save money when you're not making any at first? And we go here, Facebook Ninja, which shows you how to advertise on Facebook, which is a wonderful resource. Everybody should be using Facebook now. I mean, it's there. The ads on there are cheap compared to some other places you advertise. Lost for words today. And then 10x commissions from Brandon Mace, which is I wouldn't want to say guru because nobody really likes to use that word in this industry. Well, nobody likes the word guru because they just seem to get a bad rap. But he is an excellent source of information when it comes to affiliate marketing and product marketing and those sorts of things. And let's see, keep going down here. AdWords retargeting shows you how to use your AdWords to get more traffic with a lot less effort. But anyway, let's move over here to the sales page. Once you click on the bonus page, you see that access now, and it takes you over to the sales page, which is this. There's Philip Johansson right there, the wild guy from Denmark. All right. There you go, we got Jasdeep's hack auto multiplies all traffic for free, so at least 25% of his traffic always buys from him, resulting in guaranteed paydays every single day. And now, it's your turn. I had to do it. Anyway. Buyer traffic on demand, 100% beginner friendly. Of course, they got a money back guarantee. Alright, there's all the testimonials they have on there, of course. We can go through the sales page. We'll be scrolling here for about a half hour. Who knows? They're always long. There it is, Traffic Armageddon. Alright. And as you can see here, don't do all this. Step 1, 2, 3. And there we go. We're going to go. Now let's go into the platform here. Here's the introduction. That's Dan Kahn right there. And then you got the welcome from Jasdeep, the man himself, the maestro of traffic. People buy a lot of traffic from him because he has a lot of traffic to sell. Anyway, then you got the welcome, you got the mindset, because without the mindset, you're never going to get anywhere. Alright. And you go live in action, of course. I can't really play the videos because, you got to buy the training course if you want to see them. But this basically, he's going to show you here how it works. And then you're going to keep going down and show you how it works, what it does when it's implemented. And then, of course, you got your code that you're going to pick up right there. Show you how to find the right offers. Turn 1 click into 5. Understand traffic in 10 minutes, proven traffic sources, A to Z traffic training. Live Bing Ads Masterclass, live Google Ads Masterclass, live YouTube Masterclass, YouTube Ads Masterclass. And each one of these is, between 1 and 2 hours long. So, he's going to go in depth into what you're going to be learning here. So, if you do buy this course, make sure you got a pen and a pad and you're ready to take some notes because you're going to get schooled. Alright, and then of course you got bonus training down here. Get more traffic with leads, find high converting offers, how to be successful with any program online. You got right here, click to sign up, Understanding traffic in 10 minutes, proven traffic sources. Excuse me. Alright. And then, like I said, let's go back over to my bonus page here and we'll go over the pricing and basically what each upsell entails. Alright. Traffic Armageddon is an info product that will teach customers how to multiply traffic. Jasdeep will teach them exactly how to set up their campaigns, choose the correct offers, and finally drive traffic. These campaigns are designed to turn 1 click into 5 every single time. And that's just the front end for $17. Man, that's a large pizza. Come on. Can't beat that. Especially for what you're getting. You got probably 9 hours worth of training involved there. And then we got upgrade number 1, which is done for you accelerator for $47 with a $37 downsell. Excuse me. Customers get 30 of Jasdeep's proven email swipes that has made him over $300,000. And what that is you're going to get, basically, you're going to get to be able to copy some of Jasdeep's best email swipes to basically catch the customer's eyes in an email. So if you've been sending emails out to people and wondering why you're not getting sales, well, now you're going to get a professional look at what you're doing wrong because you're going to have 30 of the best from the best. And then, for $37, can't go wrong. And let's see here. Upgrade number 2, done for you sales automation. $197 with a $97 downsell. Jasdeep will give them his exact funnel and 100% approval to a product that is proven to convert. That's not all. Jasdeep will also send solo ad traffic for free. So what you have here is you got a proven funnel that works with a product that is proven to sell. So what else could you ask for? Anyway, but right here too, you gotta look at that free solo ad traffic, which means he's gonna give you clicks. He's gonna send people to your funnels for free after you purchase this. So basically, you buy this upsell, you're going to get your money back probably tenfold. All right. And then upgrade number 3, allow customers to put their pixels on our sales page and have a digital email list. Our pages get hit by multiple thousands of buyers. These buyers are yours for the taking. All right. I mean, that's pretty much self-explanatory. Unlimited traffic on our sales page and have a digital email list. Upgrade number 4, traffic mastery. Insane value. This all-in-one solution delivers all the traffic anyone can ever need. We've taken proven strategies from the highest earning marketers on the planet, applied them to our business, then broken them down into simple steps customized for Traffic Armageddon. Using free traffic, underground social media, as well as the hottest platforms out there, no stone is unturned. Everyone needs traffic, and this will convert like fire. All right. All-in-one solution delivers all the traffic anyone can need. So basically, they take everything you've learned from Traffic Armageddon already, and then they put it into hyper mode and give you everything you could ask for and then some. All right. Resale rights. Get 100% resale rights to Traffic Armageddon. Well, if you had just the standard selling rights or the affiliate link, you get 50% commission, blah, blah, blah. It's a $97 and a $47 downsell. You can double your profits by selling Traffic Armageddon as your own. So it's basically like having your own product to sell. 100% commission. Don't have to give anything back. And then with the front end allows you to multiply clicks, you actually earn 5 times more by picking this up. That's it. There you go. And honestly, I do think it's a good thing. I bought it myself, and I'm gonna be going through it and learning a lot from it that I do not know, and I hope to take a little something in from it. So if you're like me, buy it and implement it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this. My name's Tim Onion, and if you like this video, go ahead, click down below, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you want to buy Traffic Armageddon using my link, get my bonuses, go ahead and look down in the description and click and buy. Thank you.